Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to manage people and users within QxControl. You're going to do this from the People page, which is accessible here on the navigation toolbar on the left-hand side. If we minimize that, we are seeing all of the cards in the People page. We have the option here, we are using card view right now, so this gives us a little larger thumbnail, a little more feedback. If we'd like something to higher density, we'd like to get more items per page. We also have list view if you prefer that. We can also sort by name. We can also search in any of these resource pages, such as people. So you can see if I'm looking for Janet and I have a lot of users, I can start to type in Janet's name and very easily and quickly find Janet. So if I do select a user here, like I've done on the floating action button, you see I have the option not just to add a user, but also I could edit, delete, disable, or print a badge here for Janet. We can also double click on the card itself. You can see here there is a places button, and this allows us to set the scope for where Janet has access. Also, we can enter all the other pertinent information. Very importantly, if Janet is going to have an access control credential, we choose add and enter that information here. We can also see what groups Janet may be a part of or add her to a group. We also can go to the login tab here, and you can see Janet does not have a role. This would mean that Janet is able to access a door with proper credentials, but without a role, Janet would not be able to log in and use QxControl. So if you do have someone that you would like to allow to log in and use, you do need to assign one of the available roles in the drop-down box. And lastly, if that person is going to log into QxControl, in order to authenticate, they do need to have the proper email address.